Welcome to Clep Environmental Science Portfolio. Friends, before going into the period plan, I would like to tell you about the steps of period plan. We have 11 steps. They are name of the unit, name of the topic, class, learning outcomes, TLM, introduction, presentation, practicing skills, sum up, assessment, teacher's reflection. The topic for portfolio is select any lesson in the textbook and make 45 minutes period plan by following the period plan steps. The steps. First step, name of the unit agriculture, name of the topic cultivation of paddy, class 5th, learning outcomes. Pupils will be able to know the different stages of cultivation of paddy, identify the traditional and modern tools, understand the importance of eating healthy food. TLM. Plants, fruits, vegetables, soil, paddy. In introduction, we have 4 subtopics: greeting, warm-up activity, mind map, announcement of the topic. In greeting, there is a dialogue between children and teacher. Teacher greets them and eventually the children also greet the teacher. In warm-up activity, we can start the class with a rhyme. The rhyme should relate to the topic which we are going to deal. Here I took the rhyme, the farmer plants the seed. Children listen to the teacher and repeat after her. Mind map. Here the teacher asks the children to make a list of items they get from the fields. The teacher writes the word field on the board and asks the pupils to write all the items they get related to field. From this mind map, the teacher goes to the next step, that is announcement of the topic. Teacher announces the topic as cultivation of paddy. She also explains the meaning of cultivation as cultivation is a process of preparing the land for growing crops. Presentation. In presentation, we have 3 subtopics: reading, keywords and conceptual understanding. In reading, the teacher first reads the lesson aloud. She reads slowly, clearly and with correct pronunciation so that the children listen to her and learn the pronunciation. Next, one of the children is asked to read aloud. Next, the entire class reads silently. During the process, they underline the new words they come across while reading. Keywords. The teacher writes those keywords on the board and explains them. The entire explanation is in presentation. That is to be kept in mind. Next, conceptual understanding. Here, we can take activities. We can engage the children in different activities. I have taken 2 activities. Activity 1. The class is divided into 3 groups and each group is given an activity. Group 1. They discuss about what happens when nobody does cultivation. Second group. They discuss about what happens to plants if they are not watered. And third group, they discuss about what happens if the food is wasted. Second activity. Flashcards will be given to the children and they have to arrange the cards in sequential order. Practicing skills. The children will be given different activities here. I have taken 3 activities. Activity 1. Teacher asks oral questions related to topic. Activity 2. The teacher asks the pupils to draw vegetables and fruits. Activity 3. A table will be given to pupils and they have to tick the items that are necessary for cultivation. Sum up. Sum up is a recapitulation of the entire topic. Here the teacher discusses about the different stages of cultivation with the children. Assessment. As we all know, assessment is a continuous process and it need not have any fixed format. Here I have tried to assess the students by asking them to complete the worksheet related to the topic and allot the emoji. Teacher's reflection. This helps the teacher to check herself and plan the next lesson according to her reflection. She can ask herself how many children responded well, how many couldn't respond and why, how many need my help.